Where we are at the moment is obviously we've created 11 number toilets, 1 accessible toilet and 1 DDA toilet. They'll be used to facilitate the control room A bar and a control room A reception, and obviously the control room itself. You actually come into the space, set it out, laser it through, make sure that all your measures are correctly, and from then you start building. So this was originally a single skin brickwork wall. Building work was done prior to us getting on site, where they actually cut through this brickwork wall, put lintels in to allow to obviously open this space up. And then we've then segregated the area out through the use of obviously gyp line and plasterboard to subdivide the space. Wall to the left-hand side is a party wall, so you've got residents on the other side of that wall, so that had to have additional fire treatments and acoustic treatments to obviously adhere to the party wall agreement. We've had an interface with the M&E contractors, so you've had duct workers, fire alarms, sprinklers, electricians and plumbers all bringing in the main services into the space. In order for them to do that, we've had to actually, as I said before, segregate the space down. So we're installing metalwork all the way through, leave the walls nice, open and clean so they can come and work and traverse through the space. So it's all segregated, so all of the equipment which comes through and services the toilet is actually pre-hung for the gantry. So above this space, which you don't see, is a metal gantry adjacent to the lay light. That's where they hang the primary services through, so you have your duct work, the pipe work, your electrical containment. And then from that point you then branch off and step down into the areas.